Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from TapTap Send to MTN in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. And by the way, once you open your account, you can use the promo code from the description below and input it here to get $15 extra on your first transfer. So feel free to take advantage of this bonus. Now let's continue. Back on the homepage, you want to start a transfer by tapping Send Money. Then you want to choose the recipient's country where MTN is available, like Ghana. After that, go ahead and enter the amount. Input the amount you want to send in your currency or their local currency. Next, go ahead and tap Add Recipient. Then you want to go ahead and select MTN as the payout or delivery method. And finally, go ahead and enter their mobile number. And that's it. Now you know how to send money from TapTap Send to MTN easily. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.